Alright, so let's look at problem number 39. If I zoom in on this, I have this equation, and the textbook asks us to simply make the right hand side equals 0 and then find the x-intercepts. So 39, this one right here, 2x minus 5 is equal to the square root of x plus 4, is really a linear equation. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my calculator, and if I were to make the right hand side equals 0, I would subtract the square root of x plus 4, which should give me 2x minus 5 minus the square root of x plus 4. Oops, of 4. Alright, so the only thing I'm doing is I'm just subtracting this from both sides of the equal sign, and I'll get 2x minus 5 equals 4. In fact, I'll write it down so you guys can see it, so it'll make more sense. So let's write it down and take a look-see. So if I say 2x minus 5 is equal to the square root of x plus 4, then I'm going to get 2x minus 5 if I minus the square root of x plus 4 from both sides. What I end up with is 5x. Let me write this down and move this around a little bit so you can see it better. If I say 2x, let me move it over here to the side so you can see it better. If I say 2x minus 5 is equal to the square root of x plus 4, like that, and I subtract this from both sides of the equal sign, what I end up with is 2x, we'll zoom out a little bit, 2x minus 5 minus the square root of x plus 4 equals 0. And so that's what the textbook asks us to do. That's what they wanted us to do, is to algebraically set this up, set it equal to 0, and graph it. So the left-hand side of the equation is this that I've plugged into my calculator. And so if I hit graph, what I really want is it equals 0 when it crosses the y-intercept, so, or the x-intercept, I'm sorry. So if I hit x, or second trace, and that'll bring me into the calculate menu, and I can find the 0 this way. So I'm going to zoom this in as close as I can over to the calculator, and it says left bound, so I'm going to be a little bit to the left of the intersection. That says right bound, so I'll be a little bit to the right of the intersection. Then I'm going to go right smack dab in the middle, and I'm going to say it looks like x is approximately 3.91 is where this occurs. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do problem number 39. Okay, any questions?